In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add Clerk Auth to Base44. We're going to walk through the setup in a simple, practical way so you can connect authentication to your Base44 project without getting lost in the interface. This process covers enabling sign-in methods and preparing your front end so Clerk can handle authentication properly. First, head over to Base44 and open the project where you want to add authentication. Once you're inside the project, look at the top menu and click on Dashboard. This is where you'll manage the broader app configuration and connect the pieces needed for login. From there, enable the sign-in strategies you want to support. For example, you might turn on email and password or use Google Sign-in, depending on the experience you want for your users. While you're here, make note of your publishable key and your secret key. These keys are important for connecting Clerk to your application. As a best practice, keep secret credentials stored securely and never expose them publicly in front-end code. Next, go to the left-hand side of the Base44 interface and click on Settings. Inside Settings, choose Authentication. This is where Base44 lets you define which authentication methods are active for your app. Now turn on email and password authentication if you want users to sign up and log in using their email address and a password. If you prefer social login or want to offer it in addition to email login, you can also toggle on Google Authentication. The exact combination depends on your app's needs, but the important thing is to make sure the methods you enable in Base44 match the sign-in strategies you configured in Clerk. After that, move to your front-end codebase, install Clerk there, and wrap your application with the Clerk provider. This step is what allows your app's interface to communicate with Clerk and recognize authenticated users correctly. If your app isn't wrapped with the provider, the authentication components won't work as expected. So this part is essential. Once that's done, return to Base44 and click on Code. This gives you access to the code side of your project, so you can continue wiring everything together and confirm the authentication setup is in place. As you go through the process, take a moment to double check that your enabled login methods, app configuration, and front-end setup all align. Most setup issues come from a mismatch between those pieces, so a quick review can save you time. And that's how to add Clerk Auth to Base44.